Good morning, everybody. It's Ryan here from MadDock Customs. We are building a new intake today, so we're going to do a little time-lapse video and show you the process. Hope you enjoy. Thanks. That's what the intake looks like after we've bent it up. In the video, you can probably see me there going back and forth. I have an alignment tool to help me out. A couple different ones that I build up just to help get the alignment right. And you can see all the fold lines there. From here, it's just a matter of finishing the welds. So, be back shortly. All right, guys, so about 3 hours later, here we are. This is what a completed intake looks like. As you can see, just finished all the welds, covered the pockets. Just a matter of cleaning it up now and getting it ready to be installed into the boat.